Hello everyone. In this section, we will study about while loops. A while loop runs until its condition becomes false. Python checks the condition first and only if it evaluates to true does the loop execute. Now, let's see the syntax of while loop. Count is equal to 0. While count is less than or equal to 5, we will print count. And let's increment the value of count by 1 on each one. Count is equal to count plus 1. Now let's run this code and see the output. As you can see, we have printed all the numbers from 0 to 5. But we can do the same thing in for loops. What's so special about the while loops? Now let's look at another example where we will use the full potential of while loops. Suppose we set a variable password is equal to an empty string. Now while password is not equal to Python password equals input, enter the password. I will explain this code to you in a bit, but first let's write it. Now print access granted. Now we will run this loop. Enter the password. Suppose I write my name. It's asking me again. Let's write OJ again. Nothing. Random variables. As soon as I type Python, access granted. So let's dive right into this loop. First, we have set away empty string called password. It is an empty variable. Now we will run the while loop until the password is not equal to this string, which is Python. We will keep asking the user again and again about the password until the password is equal to Python. Then we break out of the loop and print access granted. As you can see, the while loop is very powerful in these situations where you don't know how many times you need to execute the loop. Now, let me show you some more capabilities of while loops with some new keywords like continue. I is equal to 0 while I is less than 5. I plus equals 1. Now, let me show you how to use the keyword continue. If I equals 3, continue. And then we'll print I. What continue does is it skips the value. It's like just ignore it, move past it, skip it. Let's run this code. As you can see, 1, 2, 4, 5. Where is the 3? Well, we had set a conditional if I is equal to 3, continue or skip. So we skip that value. Now let's look at another variable or another keyword which is very important in while loops, which is a break statement. Let's get rid of this code. We will write while true. This is an infinite loop. While number is equal to int input, enter a number 0 to exit. Now we will write if number equals 0, we will break. and print you enter number. Now let's run this code. Enter number 25. Oh, just a sec. I think we made a mistake. Let's run this again. Oh, my num lock was on. Enter number again. 4 again. 343 again. Nothing. But as soon as we type in 0, we break out of the loop. As you can see, we didn't know how many numbers the user is going to enter. So we put a value called 0 and we put in the break statement. A break statement allows us to break out of an infinite loop. Now let's see what happens if I forget to add in the break statement. Suppose I get rid of this break and instead let me just get out this conditional too. Let's run this code again. Enter a number. Again. Now there is no getting out of this loop because it is an infinite loop. It will run for eternity. It won't break because we haven't given a condition that will set this true value to false. So everyone, this was it for this section. See you in the next one.